let's go to our next game. This one's called Red Flags. We're going to give you 3 hypothetical situations. In each situation, there are 2 things that are going great and 1 thing that's not so great.
Yep.
You have to pick which of these 3 would you rather be in. So situation 1 is Mainstreet is selling in over 20 countries. Your year-on-year revenue growth is strong at 50%, but your latest campaign is received horribly by the masses. Situation 2 is Mainstreet now has over 500 employees. Your recent fundraise has allowed you to double the size of your inventory, but you haven't been able to take a break in more than 1 year. And situation 3 is Mainstreet has had an offer to be acquired. Your media revenue is actually contributing to business profits, but you've almost exhausted your fundraise capital and still have bleeding costs.
That third is just bad. First, second are fine. First, second are very manageable.
So which one would you rather be in? You want to refer to
I have to pick one?
Yeah.
First.
Yeah.
Campaign failure is completely fine, dude. Easy to manage. I'm very good at apologizing. I'm excellent at apologizing.
And I
do it all the time.
And I feel like in general also, if you are...
Dude, 20 countries, 50% year-on-year growth, 1 bad campaign. Great. In fact, that's great. It will get so much more reach, so much distribution. Fantastic situation to be in. Love that. Backlash is great. It's perfectly fine. I'm pre-cancelled on the internet, but it's fine. Biggest target for cancellation. It's okay. We'll be fine. As long as we got money, that's what matters.